freaking yawn. Fuck. Cannot even go to sleep. Absolutely. I stay in here because someone stayed in the night. I can't use my bed and they're using it. It's the only reason I'm in her bed. Now I know how much she fucking yawns and I'm just watching the movie Paul. Fuck. She yawns so goddamn loud. Can't get any fucking sleep. Damn. No wonder I'm fucking tired, but you don't listen. Fucking get wealthy. Fuck. Yeah, bye guys.